The cyan color has ran out, you cannot print any other colors, even the black one. Any button is not working now. Even stop button is not working now, although press hold for 5 seconds. Open the ink cartridges case. Waiting for the ink cartridges to roll to the middle. Cut off the power socket right away. Practice more to get out each cartridge manual. This blue control must be clickable. So when your finger moves and rolls the wheel, it can be clickable. This blue control must be clickable. So when your finger moves and rolls the wheel, it can be clickable. Move the ink cartridges under the blue control position. Now we get out each cartridge manual. Press the blue control to get each cartridge manual. Rolling one time wheel can press only one time blue control. So we have to roll many times wheel to get all the cartridges out. Remember to move each cartridge to the straight line. Move each cartridge to the straight line. Right position to get the ink cartridge out. We can see some cartridges still have ink. After getting out all the cartridges, we put each inside again following the colors label have marked. Remember to put the right ink cartridge's color into the right colors labeled at mark. Now plug in the power back. Now the code 1755 disappeared. It changed to code 1688. That means success. Now we can press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. Press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds. This code 1600 just the notification for you have to change the ink cartridges as soon as possible. Remember, now you just can print out the documents which is black color, cannot print colors, because one of the 3 colors is out. If you print colors, you will meet the code 1755 again. Because the only black color is still full now, you have to purchase cyan color as soon as possible. Press OK button. Press OK button again. Now you will see it mention some colors has ran out. But you still can print with black ink. Now let's try. Select black and white. Although it is low on ink, but still can able to print. Pass the error code. The first time print is a bit long to clear and set the ink. black ink is beautiful. Now we can print without an error code.